Hey, let's talk about scars. So I think it's really important because everybody always has questions about them. So scars over time tend to fade, especially with excellent scar therapy systems such as Silagen, which I highly recommend. You can buy that on our online store. Easy to find. If you go to ZuriPlasticSurgery.com, you're going to click the online store link and it's going to take you directly to the website where you can find Silagen. Now remember, results are permanent, but the scars will fade over time. Now, how long is it going to take for them to fade? Every single person is different, okay? We can't really guarantee how long it will take, but really the scar is going to mature over the course of the first 12 months after your surgical procedure. So during that time, you really want to be aggressive using the Silagen products that have 100% silicone, either the silicone gel, the silicone strips. Even if you had a tummy tuck, you can use a silicone sphere as well. Okay, so just keep these items in mind when you're recovering from your procedure. If you have any more questions in regards to scars and scar therapy, please give us a call here at Zuri Plastic Surgery.